Welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way into the city to what's the name of that place? Ishkabibbles. I'm gonna pick me up some Ishkabibbles. We're gonna do a little bit city driving POV stuff and probably end it at
prepare to bear left.
Probably end it at the shipyard. Somebody's already cutting up. Alright, so that's it, guys. You know, come eat with me. Thank you for coming out and enjoying this POV.
In a half a mile, bear. In a half a mile, bear left onto I-676 East toward Central Philadelphia.
Look at the skyline. Oh, camera, buddy.
Bear left.
All right, so since we're sitting in traffic, excuse me, I saw this one post, and I think this guy was interviewing a cosplayer that was dressed like Majin Buu, and he asked the cosplayer, he asked her, like, what character would you fight in anime? And the chick said Majin Buu. Like, what character would you fight Majin Buu?
No. Ridiculous.
I like
characters from Dragon Ball.
I like and I was thinking to myself, like, maybe Yamcha or something like that, but
Bear left.
then I was like, hold on, Yamcha can still fly, Yamcha can still, even Krillin, like,
Still get paid.
you still, like, and she picked like the worst,
Evil villain.
the worst character of all. Like, I thought Cell was bad, but I think Majin Buu takes the cake for being like one of the most annoying characters. I think we're almost there, guys.
In a half a mile, bear right and continue following I-676 East toward Ben Franklin Bridge.
I missed it. Try to do it in the tunnel. salad sandwich at the car or something. Yeah, that lady had her titties out. Good grief. I forgot what song that is. Yeah, I forgot what song that is. Do you remember the song? Yeah, I forgot what song that is. Well, anyway, guys, we're almost there. And then I'm gonna see if I can head down to the shipyard. Dude, is pause here. Turn. Let this guy go really quick.
You will reach your destination in 700 feet.
700 feet. I don't know if they'll allow us to record anything. Oh, there's all type of huge bumps here, man. I don't know if they'll allow us to record on the inside of this place, so I'll see you guys when we get back. We got the food now. I'm gonna head down to the pier. Let's see if we can do some shenanigans. You're gonna have to hold on to this. Let's see if we can do some you know, activities.
In 700 feet, turn left onto Queen Street.
Check it out.
Turn left. In 1/4 of a mile, turn left.
You gotta make sure nobody's coming from that way. Look, right here.
Half a mile, bear right toward I-76 East, Walt Whitman Bridge.
we're not getting down to that Navy yard because there's a game going on. I forgot about the game, so they're everywhere. So let's go find a little spot, chill out, eat, play around.